welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to review the car Maruthi Suzuki Fronx as a 100 subscriber edition of my channel, and I thank you all guys for this of 100 subscribers you all gave me. So now let's start through the video. Maruthi Fronx is known as the big brother of Baleno and the younger brother of Grand Vitara. Now let's start from the exterior features of this car. The DRLs look like three cubes side one another. Just below that is the headlamp. The front is more related to the headlamps of Tata Harrier. The vehicle has a thrilling grille and front side. Now let's go to the side of the car. There is a beautiful roof layer on both sides. You can see black cladding on the side, stunning alloy wheels, a shark fin antenna. The size of the tires is 16 inches. The roof has a floating design. Now let's go to the back. The car has a beautiful and stunning fully connected LED lamps, a huge skid plate just like the ones seen on SUVs. With the back seats folded, the boot space is 308 liters. Now let's go to the interior of the car. The interior has a dual tone theme. Now let's go to some of the features of this car. Steering wheel control buttons, head-up display, push start stop button, Apple Android connectivity infotainment system, wireless smartphone charger and USB charger, quality Arcom sound systems, 360-degree view camera and much more are the features of this car. Now let's go to the dimensions. The dimensions of this car are length 3955 milliliters, width 1765 millimeters, height 1550 millimeters, ground clearance is 190 millimeters, wheelbase is 2520 millimeters. There are two engine types available for this car. One is the 1197cc K series with max power of 89.7 PS, max torque 113 Nm. Transmission is available at 5 manual and AMT. Next engine is 998cc K series turbo engine. Max power is 100.6 PS. Max torque is 147 Nm. Transmission is available as 5 manual or 6 automatic. Now going to the safety. The vehicle has a 360 view camera, electronic stability program, EBS, etc. The top variant of the turbo model has 6 airbags. Now to the color. The 9 color options available for this vehicle are as follows. The ex-showroom price of Fronx is as follows. So it's time for winding up our video. If you like this video, please never forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. So I'm winding up this video. Thank you and we'll see you again at next time. Thank you and bye.